Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the system language on your XIAOMI G27Qi gaming monitor. To do that, we first have to reach for the joystick, which is located on the back side of the monitor. You can reach it from the right, and if you just press it once, you will open this D-pad on your screen. Now drag your joystick to the right to open the main menu, and then drag it down until you reach system settings. Here in the system settings, drag your joystick to the right to go to the second column, and then in the language menu you'll be able to choose one of the available languages from the list. Once you see your language, just click OK, and the language will be applied to the entire interface of your settings. To exit this menu, just drag your joystick to the left several times. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.